Welcome. This video tutorial demonstrates how to update your website's K2 articles. K2 is another article component utilized in Joomla that provides additional functions outside of what Joomla's regular article system offers. Here you can see I've selected our newsroom, which is connected to our K2 blog. Here you can see a couple K2 articles that we already have implemented into the website. Right now I'm looking at a K2 category page. That's how we have this particular menu item linked to. It is not linked to a particular article. It is linked to featured articles. So here I can now select the article title and see the full content of the article. And here it's evident as to the additional items that K2 provides outside of the regular Joomla articles. Here we have social media share buttons. We also have a commenting section which allows users to comment on articles. Okay, now to update this article. Now we're going to go to the back end of your website, which is achieved by entering your domain/administrator. That brings you into your Joomla administrative dashboard. Upon entering the back end of your website, we'll be brought to the administrative dashboard, which provides quick link icons to your K2 content. By selecting items, we can see the articles that we already have in the system. I will now go ahead and select this article that we were just viewing on the front end, and here you can see what it looks like on the back end for a user. Here we can edit using this handy little WordPad editor where we can highlight certain text and insert hyperlinks. We can insert images, we can color fonts, we can change font sizes and styles, all sort of things. Additionally, we can enter meta tagging information for each article. Here you could select also which category the article is going to exist in. So right now we're going to go ahead and create a new article for the sake of demonstration. So up here we're going to just go ahead and click on the plus sign, and it's going to open up a new blank article. I am going to go into a website here where I have another article that we're going to use as an example. We're going to take skin cancer for dogs. So a couple tricks here is when you highlight content, if you hit Control C, that means copy. Now I'm going to take that and paste it in here. I'm going to stick this in the health and nutrition section. Now this text is the next thing that I would be interested in. I'm going to go ahead and take this text, and rather than going right into my Joomla editor and pasting this text, I'm going to do a little trick where I open up a blank .txt file and I will paste this content in here. And I did so by hitting Control V, which is paste. Now I'm going to hit Control A, which is selecting all that content again that I just pasted in here. And now that I have it selected, I'm going to hit Control X, which is cut. So now I've taken that text, I've pasted it in here, and then I've selected again and I've taken it out. Why did I do that? Well, I did that to clean the text. I don't want any formatting left inside my articles or any links. I want clean text. So therefore, I have just pasted the clean text into my article. I can then come in here and update these items. I can bold certain items by hitting Control B or by using the buttons over here in the WordPad editor as such. Okay, now let's look back at this article, and here in this article we can see that they have a picture. So I'm going to go ahead and save this picture, and I'm going to save it to my desktop. Now I would like to insert this picture into my article, so I'm going to go back into my editor. I'm going to come up here to the first little spot, and I'm going to now enter Insert Image. As I go to Insert Image, I could select any images that might already exist on the server, or I can select this icon here, which allows me to upload an image. I can drag and drop images here, or I can browse And here I can go ahead and browse the images that I would like to add. Simply select upload. Now you can see that image has been populated. Now I have the image selected, and here are some other items up here that are important when inserting this image. I'm going to go ahead and select the dimensions. I can select one side and it'll fix them proportionally. I'm going to add a margin to them so that it'll give spacing between any text. And I'm also going to set this to exist off to the right. Now upon setting all those attributes, I can hit insert, and you can see that image has now popped over here to the side, and it has the spacing around the side here so that our words don't end up right on top of our pictures. Okay, another little thing that I'm going to do here is I'm going to insert something called a read more, and that will make it so when this is featured on the front page, it is only going to give us this snapshot of text, and then I would have to select on the entire article to view the rest of this text. So now I'm going to go ahead and hit save and close. I can then come back to the front end of the website, or I will go ahead and select the newsroom. And now looking into the newsroom, we'll see our new article is going to appear here. And it is in line with all the rest of our articles. And again, by selecting the article itself, we can see the full content. Okay, that is the K2 component video tutorial. You can visit our website, advergroup.com, for various other tutorials on Joomla components. Thank you.